Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my van build number 10. Let me see what's happening. Okay, got my floor done. It's not finished here. This has got to lift up, but the linos or the floor covering is going to go down here and cover that edge, and then I can screw that back in. I just put some tape on it just to stop the dirt from gathering in there. Finally, I've done my side panels. Well, they're not screwed in. They're all just cut and sanded. I'm going to paint them green, British racing green, which is like a darkish green, which goes well with black. And as you can see, I've carpeted my pillar on that side, and also on this side. I've got to even this up. Those panels, I will sort that out. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. This is just holding it up just for the video. I've got to take them back down, sand them a bit more, and then paint them, and then go from there. And once again, this is my bed. This is here because my floor, I had to cut the floor side to get the board inside the van because it's raining all the time. Anyway, so I had to cut this bit off from here. Anyway, it was lifting there, so I've just glued it back down again, and this is just weight to hold it down. It'll be ready tomorrow. Done all that. Basically, that's where my bed's going. Yeah, quite happy with it so far. You know, I've got to do obviously these parts here of the roof, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but we'll work that out. And the roof's done. This is just to hold it up, just for a bit of show. This one here fits in quite well, and I've got to, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the wheel arches. Will I carpet them, or will I put the floor covering on them? I don't know. We'll see. Let's go around the other side. So there's my panel. I was going to stain them the same as the roof, but unfortunately, because of the plywood, it's 5.5mm ply, it started to crack, and you can see where it's all chipped and split at the top, and that won't look too well stained. So maybe if I can get an edging to put around it, I'll do that, and then stain it. I would like to stain it because I think staining would look quite good. Wood stain against the black, and the British racing green looks well. But yeah, so finally got my side panels on. I had some decent weather where I could do it, and that's going to be how my storage boxes will be. This is my panel here. This is not screwed in yet. I'm going to put the flooring down into here, and then that goes back in, clean it up. So all that bit's done. Yeah, very happy with it so far. Anyway, I'll keep you updated. Bye.